Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see not just one but two healthy smoothie recipes which are sugar-free and packed with essential nutrients like fiber, calcium, protein and antioxidants to kickstart your day in a healthy way. So in this video, we will see how to make chocolate, banana, almond, date smoothie and also apple, dates and nut smoothie. So friends, let's get started with this two healthy smoothie recipe. So to make chocolate, banana, almond and date smoothie, you will need 4 soaked almonds with skin peeled off, 1 banana, 1.5 teaspoon of cocoa powder and 2 Mazafati dates which are deseeded. You can also use Kimia dates as both are sweet, fleshy and soft in texture. Next, take a blender jar and slice 1 dry banana. Then go stick cocoa powder, soaked and peeled almonds and 2 seedless Mazafati dates. Next, pour 200 ml of chilled milk. Now close the blender jar tight. And we need to blend this to a smooth puree. So our smoothie is ready now. And friends, here goes our yummy chocolate, banana, almond and date smoothie into the serving glass. I will garnish my smoothie with some chopped almonds on top and a slice of banana in the rim of the glass. There we go. And now let's move on to our second smoothie recipe. So to make apple, dates and nut smoothie, you will need half of an apple with skin peeled off. Then you will need 5 soaked almonds with skin peeled off and 1 walnut kernel. And also 2 Mazafati dates which are deseeded. These dates are best for smoothies as they are fleshy, soft and very sweet. So you don't need to add any extra sweetener. And now we need to grate the apple. So you can see I have grated the apple. Next, take a blender jar and transfer the grated apple into it. Next goes the almonds, walnut and 2 seedless Mazafati dates. Now pour 200 ml of chilled milk into the blender jar. Close the lid of the jar and we'll blend this to a smooth puree. That's it. And here goes our apple, dates and nut smoothie into the serving glass. I will garnish with few chopped almonds on top and an apple chunk in the rim of the glass. Here it goes. So friends, I hope you will try these two healthy smoothie recipes very soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you enjoyed my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such healthy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.